Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my English reading. English speaking
Practice.
practice.
Okay?
Okay.
You are not doing reading. This is just a conversation like how you can improve your child speaking. Because this is about speaking. She can read very well and she can speak also. But if I want her to make more fluent, so she needs more practice. In the same way, you can also do practice with your kids. So this is like a journal video in which I will ask some journal questions and she has to answer. This is the like first way. And one more thing that you are going to learn and she's also going to learn from here is that instant reply means if randomly I'm asking something from her, she has to think and reply within few seconds. Like this is what actually public speaking is. This is what actually English speaking practice. Right. Apart from this, I have already uploaded one or two videos like about you can learn any story, essay, and then you can ask your child to speak. Right. That is the first way. But if you want to make them a good public speaker and actually fluent, because everywhere you will not get one topic to speak, right? If you have to talk to everybody in public, if somebody is making to you, in that case you have to talk in English. So Emma, I'm going to ask you some normal questions like, okay, so first introduce yourself.
My name is Amira Zakhar and I live in Gurgaon and my family also live in Gurgaon. My sister's name is Divya Zakhar and my mama's name is Prakriti Thillo.
And
I am in second class
very good.
and my sister is in first class.
So as you were saying, Amira, that you are in second class and your sister studies in first class or first standard. So you did not mention your school name. In which school do you go?
I don't go in any school.
Then how do you study?
I study at my home.
And who teaches you at home?
My mom teaches me at home.
Oh, really? That is really nice, Amira. So if like we are talking to somebody, this is the like first step. You can just simply give your introduction, and then you should also ask to the other person. Okay, Emma, this is for you. If like I am asking to you about you, then you should also ask me. Okay, like please tell me about you. How are you?
Please tell me about you.
Hello, Myra. My name is Pragati Dhilo, and I am mom of two super smart, beautiful, and talented girls. I have two daughters. Their names are elder one is Myra Jakhar, and the younger one is Deja Jakhar. And they are sitting in front of me. Okay. So next thing that I would like to ask you is what are your hobbies? What are the things that you like most? Or what you do in your leisure time?
I do play my leisure time
With whom do you play?
with my sister.
And what is the game or what are the things with which you would like to play?
We like all things what we have.
I mean, or what type of all things do you have?
I have my old toys.
Your toys and some educational toys, or these are normal like teddy bear or these type of toys?
Essay.
Normal toys like
Yes.
teddy bear, like truck, okay, car, like okay. So Didi,